Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about nomenclature of alcohols. In the previous video we have discussed about the introduction part of alcohols, phenols and ethers. First of all, how we obtain alcohol when one hydrogen of aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced with OH group. We are going to get alcohol. Now this is the simplest alcohol. CH4 is methane. Now, the common name of this will be methyl alcohol. Okay. From methane, we are getting methyl. And when OH group is added to this, so we are going to get methyl alcohol. This is the common name. Now, for IUPAC name, what we have to do? From methane, we have to replace E with ol. Okay. So we are going to get methanol. So it means for alcohol, we have to use suffix ol. Similarly, if we take ethane, the formula of ethane is C2H6. Hope all of you know. When you are going to replace one hydrogen, we will get C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Now, what will be the IUPAC name? IUPAC name will be ethanol. Okay. Now, next example, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Now, first of all, how many carbons? 1, 2, 3. So it is obtained from propane. Okay. Now we have to decide the position of, decide the position of alcohol group also. So we are going to start the numbering from here. Okay. Numbering will be started with this carbon where OH group is attached. So the common name will be N-propyl alcohol. Now why it is N? It's normal. Okay. Straight chain. So it will be denoted by N. So N-propyl and alcohol, and IUPAC name will be propane. Now here we have to use the number 1 also, propane 1 all, because functional group is on first carbon. Now next example is here. Okay. Now again 3 carbon. So it is obtained from propane, but its common name will be isopropyl alcohol. Now why iso? Because alcohol group is on this branch, in the form of branch. Numbering can be done from any side because this alcohol is going to get second. Okay. So it will be propane 2 all. Okay. So in this way, we have to name the alcohols. Some more examples are here. Now the next one is here. Just try to name this compound, common name and IUPAC name both. Okay. So how many carbons? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it is obtained from butane and it is having straight chain. So common name will be N-butyl alcohol. And IUPAC name will be butane 1 all. Okay. So this is the IUPAC name. Now next example, just try to name it. Now first of all, how many carbon? There are 4 carbons, so it is obtained from butane, but OH group is as branch, so it will be secondary. Now here it will be secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol, and we'll start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are starting the numbering from left hand side because the OH group will second to 2. If you will start the numbering from here, from the right hand, from here. Okay. So from right hand side to 1, 2, 3. So this OH group will get number 3. So the numbering will be, we have to do the numbering from left hand side. So IUPAC name of this will be butane 2-ol. Okay. Now next example here is, now this will be isobutyl. Iso because this methyl group is present as chain. So isobutyl alcohol. And if we do the naming, if you find the longest chain, so this one is the longest chain and we'll start numbering from here. So you can see that on second carbon, there is a methyl group. And how many carbons in the longest chain? 3. So it will be propane. So 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Okay. So on second carbon, there is a methyl group and OH group was in the first carbon. So 2-methyl propane 1-ol. So in this way, we have to do the numbering. Now, next example. This is the next example. Okay. So this is called as, first of all, we have to find out the longest chain of carbon. So this will be the longest chain, this vertical one. 1, 2, 3. So it is obtained from butane. So we are going to name it as, common name will be tertiary butyl. There are 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be tertiary butyl alcohol. But when we have to do the IUPAC naming, we have to see the longest chain to 1, 2, 3. On second carbon, there is a methyl group to 2-methyl. 2-methyl. Now there are 3 carbons, so it will be propane, not butane, and 2-ol because on second carbon there is a OH group. So these are some compounds in which there is only one OH group. But if there are if more than one OH groups are present, then we have to use the terms di, tri, okay, to denote the OH group. I will explain you this with one example. Like this compound, this hydrocarbon is having 2 OH group. Now, what will be the name of this compound IUPAC name? Because there are 2 carbon to ethane. So we are going to write ethane 1,2-diol. Okay. Diol because there are 2 OH group. And this is for first carbon, this is second carbon. Now one more example is here. CH2CH. Now this compound is having 3 OH group. The IUPAC name of this, the common name of this compound is glycerol. And if we talk about IUPAC name, there are 3 carbons. So it will be propane 1, 2, 3. Now how many OH group? 3. So we'll write triol. So in this way, we are going to do the naming of alcohols. Now we'll discuss about some cycloalkanes also. Okay, how to do the naming of that. If a cycloalkane is having OH group, now first of all, this is hexane. Now if one hydrogen of this hexane is replaced with OH group, so what will be the IUPAC name of this? So the IUPAC name of this will be cyclohexanol. Okay, it will be cyclohexanol. And if any methyl group is present, suppose again it's a cycloalkane, but one methyl group is present over here and one OH group is here. So this carbon will be taken as first carbon. Always the OH group where it is present in the ring structure, the carbon will be taken as first carbon. So this is first, this is second. So IUPAC name will be 2-methyl cyclohexane. pentanol. No need to denote, no need to write one here because we are taking it always as first. So in this way, we can do the naming of IUPAC and common name of alcohols. Next video, we'll discuss about IUPAC name of phenols, and we'll discuss about ethers also.